you, Thayer. The floor is yours, brother.
Hey, thank you so much, Ali, for that kind introduction. What's going on, everybody? Welcome, to today's call. The person that invited you, like Ali said, is very, very excited about what we got going on. I'm sure you probably got a phone call or a text or just a quick link, like, "Hey, gotta hop on this. I really want to show you, what we got going on." And just know that they're really, really excited. But today, I'm gonna get straight to the point. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. I don't want to waste any of your guys' time. We have a massive, massive promotion going on right now that I believe is going to impact and change so many people's lives. Guys, I got introduced to this information that you're about to hear about 11 years ago. I was 22 years old at the time. I'm 34 years old now. It's crazy to say that. I'm 34 years old now. And, at the time I was going to school full time, I was working for full time. And I just personally wanted, an opportunity to be successful. I didn't know what that was going to be. I was following what everybody else was doing. I was going to school. I thought that that was the path that I was supposed to be on. But I always, in the back of my mind, was like, there's got to be more to life. There's got to be more out there. And I'm so glad that I kept an open mind. And when I saw this information, guys, I went all in. I locked in with the people that were sharing it with me because I knew that if you wanted to be successful, you had to find other people that were successful. And really, guys, that's the secret. That's really the secret, is just finding other people that are successful. And if you can surround yourself around them, if you can learn from them, and if you do exactly what they did to become successful, guess what? You become successful by default. And that's exactly what I did for the last 11 years, guys. And it's been an absolute blessing in my life. And I want to share that with every single one of you. And the person that invited you on this call, they want to do the same exact thing. But this is not going to be your traditional, just, hey, here's the information, here's the overview. I'm going to go in depth on exactly what you get with this offer. So, first, I want to kick off this call with the promo that we're doing right now. So, the person that invited you on this call, I'm sure they probably said to you, "Hey, for 150 bucks, you can learn how to trade and you can get access up to $25,000 to trade with." And you probably, by excitement, were like, "Okay, cool. I want to learn what that is." Well, basically, just to give you guys the details, right now, a company called Akashx has decided to give every single person that buys a membership. Now, the membership is 149 bucks. It's less than $200, guys, to get started here. But with that purchase of Akashx, you're going to receive what is basically a $25,000 trading account, which is a prop firm challenge. And I'm going to go through kind of what that looks like, what a prop firm challenge is, how does it work. But one thing I want to set the precedent today, guys, and I also want to make this thing clear. This is for everyone all over the world. Doesn't matter if you're from the UK, doesn't matter if you're from Asia, doesn't matter if you're from Australia, Canada, Latin America. It does not matter where you are from. This is open to everyone. Every single person on this call can participate. If you are seeing this information for the very first time, you can get started with Akashx today and receive a $25,000 prop firm challenge. Now, let's get into what that means. Let's talk about what a prop firm challenge even is. Basically, guys, let me go ahead and share my screen here real quick. A prop firm challenge is basically a two-phase evaluation to see if you are qualified enough to manage $25,000. So the way it works, normally you would go over to TradeX Mastery today. You can do this if you want, and you can buy a $25,000 account, which is 225 bucks. What you are paying for, guys, is the ability to try to pass basically two different challenges. The first phase is growing the account 10%. So if you can grow the $25,000 account 10%, you've passed phase one, which is basically growing the account 2,500 bucks. Then your phase two, guys, is 5%. Once you've grown it 5% the second time, guys, which is 1,250 bucks, now you have a live account. Now, a live account means that any money that you make with this $25,000, guys, you get to keep 80 to 90% of the profits that you make. Now, most people will buy these challenges and try, and they'll learn on YouTube, they'll learn on, TikTok, they'll learn on various different platforms. But that's where Akashx comes into play. That's where Akashx can help you not only pass these challenges, guys, but once you have the live funded account, make money as well. And that's what we're going to share with you guys today, because a lot of people have questions. A lot of people are wondering right now, what's a prop firm challenge? What's Akashx? How do I get started? What does this even mean for me? Again, I want to reiterate, every single one of you guys on this call right now can be a part of this. And I want to explain to you guys something. In order to trade, you need money, right? In order to be successful, you need money. Everyone always knows that, in order to make money, you need money, right? Well, most people are going to get started with Akashx to learn how to trade. They want to go through, the different steps and go and watch the educators and learn the skill set of trading. And then once you learn, you're going to need money to trade with. So no matter what, you're going to need money. What we're doing for the next 65 hours is we're giving you guys that opportunity to start your trading journey for free. We're giving you access to $25,000 potentially, guys, to be a part of this. Now, Keith, I see your question. You said, what if I started 2 days ago? That's a perfect opportunity for you to go get your 3 and free, which I'm going to talk about here in just a second. But let me just run through, guys, really quick, what even Akashx is, how it works, and what you're actually getting with the Akashx membership. Like I said, I'm not going to go through everything in this compensation plan and everything, guys. I'm going to make this thing super simple. Basically, guys, Akashx comes down to phases. Can everybody see my screen real quick? Actually, can you type 111 in the chat, guys? If you can see my screen, hear my voice, I want to make sure everybody can hear me. All right, cool. So Akashx really comes in phases. Now, every single person on this call is going to start at a different spot in their trading journey. Most people are going to stay in what I like to call phase one. Phase one is where you're just going to approve trades. Now, we have something called tap to trade. Now, the way tap to trade works is you simply just connect a broker. Now, a broker is another form of like a bank account, right? Everybody has a bank account. Well, you don't connect your bank account to Akashx, guys. You connect what's called a broker. Now, here's the cool part. When you join Akashx in the next 65 hours, you're going to receive a free broker, which is a prop firm with $25,000. You're going to connect that to tap to trade. Once you've connected that to tap to trade, guys, what happens is you actually get an alert right on this phone right here on a device. Now, we touch our phone, I think on average, 1,000 times a day. Now, here, all you have to do is tap the alert. You're going to get prompted with the app, guys. It's going to ask you to approve the trade. Once you've approved the trade, it automatically takes the trade for you. You don't have to do a single thing, because here's the deal. A lot of you guys don't know how to trade. A lot of you guys don't know what stop losses are. You don't know what take profits are. You don't know what a pip is. You don't know what a trend line is. You don't know what all of the things it takes in order to be a trader. But guess what? You can tap approve. Now, when the trader executes those trades, guys, they have the ability to do everything else for you. It is completely hands off. Now, I want to show you guys real quick some results that we've had with tap to trade, because in the back office we have everything documented. Documentation, what's the saying? Ali said it yesterday. Documentation beats conversation, I believe is what he said. But in the back office, we have complete documentation on every single trader that's a part of tap to trade. But I want to show you guys that real quick. Under tap traders, we have the full history on each trader. So here's one of the tap to traders guys with us, Joel Aris. He does send out tap to trade. So you guys can see here, actually today, he called out a buy on XAU USD. All you would have had to do is just tap approve. Look at this. For the month so far, he's up 8.2%. He's up 8.2%. He's called 56 trades and he's won 44 of them and he's lost 12. Obviously, we don't win every single trade that we take. If we won every single thing, every trade that we took, I would feel like it was a scam. So Joel's up 8.2%. Javed is up 2.93%. With those two tap to traders, guys, remember on TradeX Mastery, what did I say? You had to grow 10%. So with just those two traders this month, you already would have passed phase one of your challenge that you're going to receive here. So we have documentation of each trader. Let's see here. Mohammed is up, let's see, 1.85%. Simon Capital is up 1.6%. I believe I'm up 1.68%. I'm not going to go through every single person, but you get the point. You can take all the different tap to trades that come out, guys, and you can grow your account that way. So that's phase one. That is taking just tap to trades. Now, phase two is where now you've gotten some results, and this is where you kind of go into now learning. And you really can learn at your own pace. Some of you might never get to this phase, but phase two, guys, is where you can go through our academy. We have over 200 plus videos. It's translated into 200 plus, 17 different languages. 200 plus videos are translated into 17 plus languages. But this is where we'll walk you through, what is Forex? And then we'll lead you through some more advanced things like fundamental and technical analysis, support resistance, teaching you what a trend is, indicators, patterns, things like that. But we also take that a step further. Each and every single one of our educators. So let's say, as an example, you start taking some Joel's tap the trades. What's cool is Joel has his own academy that he teaches you exactly how he trades. So you can actually go to his academy, you can watch all of his videos, and you can learn exactly what he does. And we know that if you follow people, like I said in the very beginning, that have exactly what you want, and if you do what they do, you can have the same results. So that's why we have every single one of our educators teaching their specific strategies. So then you can go through their strategies, guys, and you can learn how they trade. Now, not just watching recorded videos, you can also watch their live sessions. So all throughout the day, each educator, guys, will go through their analysis. They'll talk about the scanner that they're paired with, that they've created here with Akashx, and they teach you how to trade just like them live in real time. Now, they'll also call trades on their live sessions as well. They'll go through their analysis, they'll look at the market with you, and you can trade alongside with them live. Now, we also have some trade alerts as well. This is just a little bit more detailed trades, right? You can still copy paste these trades, but they're just a level higher than tap to trades. But phase three is where, most people don't really get to. Phase one, yes, you're gonna prove trades. Phase two, you're gonna start to learn. But for those of you that really want to become independent, eventually you're gonna start to use some scanners. You're gonna start to use the resources and tools that Akashx offers when you want to kind of just trade on your own time. You want to really take your trading journey kind of and become independent. We have that phase three for you guys. But again, I talked about in the very beginning, to get access to everything that I just talked about, it's $149. $149, guys, gives you access to every single thing that I talked about. And for the next 65 hours, when you get an Akashx membership, you also get a $25,000 prop firm challenge. Now, within these 65 hours, you can go out there and you can share this with 3 of your friends, family, network, mom, dad, cousin, whatever. And if they buy an Akashx membership, guys, guess what? That 149 is waived for life. So this is a massive, massive, massive opportunity, guys, right now to take advantage of it. The person that invited you on here, they wanted you to be able to get clear, concise information on exactly what we have. Again, I want to recap really, really quick. You're going to buy an Akashx membership today. The person that invited you on here, they're going to send you their unique affiliate link. You're going to click that link. You're going to fill out your information. You're going to pay $150. In a 48-hour period, you're going to receive a $25,000 prop firm challenge. The credentials will come to your email. On Monday of this upcoming week, we're going to do an onboarding call where we're going to teach everybody how to hook up their account to tap to trade, a complete onboarding process. You'll be into our community with our groups on our telegrams. We'll have details on every single thing that you need in order to be successful, to be a part of it. So you're not going to be left out. Don't worry about that. You'll also get an email that gives you details on what to do. It'll all be laid out for you. So you're not going to be left in the dust. The person that invited you, they're going to send you a link. You're going to get started. You're going to get the prop firm challenge. You're going to hook that up to tap to trade. And for the month of July, we're going to have massive, massive success. We're going to have a lot of fun, and we're going to change a lot of lives. But I'm going to pass this back to Ali, man. Thank you so much.